Today I'm going to show you how to connect GoCanvas to Zapier in just a few simple steps. If you use GoCanvas and want to automate your workflow, this connection can save you a huge amount of time by linking your forms and data to the rest of your apps inside Zapier. And if you like easy step-by-step tutorials like this, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos just like it. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to Zapier. Once you're on the Zapier site, make sure you're signed into the correct account that you want to use for your automation setup. If you manage more than one workspace or account, double check that you're in the right place before moving forward. Next, on the Zapier dashboard, click on App Connections. This is where Zapier stores all of your connected apps, and it's the place you'll go whenever you want to add a new integration. After that, click Create Connection. Zapier will now let you search for the app you want to connect. So this is the step where we bring GoCanvas into your account. Now search for GoCanvas in the app search bar. Type the name carefully, and once it appears in the results, click on GoCanvas to select it. This tells Zapier that you want to create a connection specifically for that app. Once you've selected GoCanvas, click Add Connection. Zapier will begin the authorization process and prompt you to enter the details needed to link your GoCanvas account securely. At this point, it will ask for your username, password, and website. Enter the login information for your GoCanvas account carefully and make sure the website field is filled in correctly if it's required. Then click Connect to finish the setup. After that, Zapier should confirm that the connection has been created, and that's really all there is to it. Once the account is connected, you can start building zaps that move data between GoCanvas and your other tools automatically. If you want to test it, you can go back into Zapier and use GoCanvas as your app inside a workflow. That way, you can make sure everything is connected properly before you build out your full automation. And just like that, you've connected GoCanvas to Zapier. No complicated setup, no confusing extra steps, just a quick connection so you can start automating faster. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next walkthrough. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.